Opening statements will begin Thursday, November 9, at the federal trial of David DePape. The 43-year-old man was accused of a hammer attack on former House Speaker Nancy Pelosi's husband, Paul, at the couple's San Francisco home in October 2022, while DePape's lawyers tried to have trial moved from San Francisco, saying it would be difficult to get a fair trial because local media attention on the case had tainted jury pool. Judge Jacqueline Scott Corley rejected their efforts. Jury selection began on Monday, November 6. Paul Pelosi, who suffered a fractured skull and other injuries in the attack, and a witness known only as Target 1, whose identity is protected by the court, are expected to testify. Who is David DePape? David Wayne DePape is a resident of Richmond, a small city near Berkeley in California's Bay Area. At the time of the attack, authorities said he was living in a garage. Paul Pelosi attacked suspect David DePape, California DMV. When authorities searched that home, they found 2 hammers, a sword and a pair of rubber and cloth gloves. According to court documents, they also allegedly found paperwork from the California Department of Motor Vehicles and the IRS, as well as PayPal credit cards. DePape, Canadian citizen, may have been in the country illegally, and the Department of Homeland Security reportedly filed request to detain person arrested for crime after he or she is released by law enforcement, known as detainer. Arrest. The FBI and San Francisco Police Department confirmed that a suspect was taken into custody on October 28, 2022, the same day Paul Pelosi was attacked. DePape was charged with 2 crimes: attempting to kidnap a federal officer or employee and assaulting an immediate family member of an officer. He also faces separate state charges that include attempted residential burglary, assault with deadly weapon, threats against a public official, and other penalties that carry sentence of more than 13 years to life in prison. He also claimed that these people were innocent. What happened during the attack on Paul Pelosi? According to court documents, both DePape and Pelosi told police about the incident the night it occurred. DePape told police he entered the home through the glass rear patio door. Allegedly, Pelosi was woken up by DePape coming into her bedroom and saying he wanted to talk to Nancy, his wife Nancy Pelosi, who was in Washington, D.C. at the time. When Pelosi said wife wasn't there, DePape told her he would sit and wait for and told police. Pelosi said she was able to call 911 from the bathroom. When police arrived a few minutes later, they found Pelosi and DePape holding a hammer and DePape holding Pelosi's arm. According to the complaint, in body camera video released later by court, it is seen that police asked them to drop hammer, and DePape pulled hammer from Pelosi and hit her in head. The complaint stated that Pelosi was unconscious on the ground while police restrained DePape. DePape then